In this video, we will discuss about difference between desktop and laptop. In a desktop, different components such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, etc. are connected together with the help of wires. In laptop, all the parts of the computer system are assembled in a single unit. A desktop is a computer that we keep on desk. A laptop is also a computer that we keep on our lap. Desktops are non-portable computers. Laptops are portable computers. Desktops require external keyboard and mouse. Laptops have built-in keyboard and mouse. Desktops consume more power than laptop. Laptops consume comparatively less power. Desktops are directly powered from the AC main outlet. Laptops are powered from a rechargeable battery. Desktops are larger in size. Laptops are smaller in size. Desktop has a wide range of screen sizes. The range of screen sizes in laptops is limited. Desktops take more time to set up. Laptops require less time to set up. Desktops stay in one place. Laptops can be taken anywhere. Desktop has more powerful processor. Laptop has less powerful processor except gaming laptops. Desktops run on electricity. Laptops need a battery to run. Desktops are easy to repair. The maintenance of laptops is a complex task. The desktop takes up more space. The laptop fits inside a bag. Desktops are heavier than laptops. Laptops are lightweight computers. Desktops have powerful CPU. Laptops have relatively less powerful CPU. Desktops have a greater number of I/O ports. Due to compact size, laptops have a smaller number of I/O ports.